Hey everyone, I just quickly like to show you how to use the pre-order part of the B2B shop. So we just log in as usual, and then yeah, we just close this. And here there's the section of pre-order 2023, and if you click this menu, then you can see all items of the collection, even on the different colors are here of the same models. So here you can also apply some filters, like you can filter for family, like for Aspen. Then we apply the filter, and then yeah, you select the model, and then select the color, and then you just add the quantities you would like. Also, there's another option. You can use the search button also, but for the new items there's no problem, but for the old items which are repeated in the collection, there is a kind of trick. Here you can see that for example 8530, there are two items. One of them is the stock from last year, and but please always use the one for the pre-orders where you can see that 2023. So it will, if it appear, if it's a repeated item in the collection. So you just click on this one, and then you can select the color and add the quantities as you would like.